The world runs on electricity, and high-voltage underground cables are a critical part of our power systems. In this video, we'll take a closer look at one type of underground cable, the extra high-voltage cable, and explore how it works and why it's important. An extra high-voltage EHV underground cable is a type of power cable that is used to transmit large amounts of electrical energy at high voltages over long distances, typically between 220 kV and 500 kV. EHV underground cables are typically used in urban areas where it is not feasible to install overhead transmission lines due to space constraints or aesthetic considerations. EHV underground cables are typically designed as a multi-core cable, consisting of several insulated conductors arranged in a concentric configuration. The cable typically has a metallic sheath that provides electrical shielding and protection against mechanical damage. The insulation material used in EHV underground cables is typically a high-quality cross-linked polyethylene, XLPE, or ethylene propylene rubber, EPR. These materials provide excellent electrical and thermal properties, as well as good resistance to moisture, heat, and chemical degradation. EHV underground cables require careful design and installation to ensure that they operate safely and reliably. The cable route must be carefully selected to avoid interference with other underground surfaces and structures, and to ensure that the cable is protected from mechanical damage and moisture ingress. EHV underground cables also require regular maintenance and testing to ensure that they continue to operate safely and reliably. This may include regular visual inspections, cable testing to detect any faults or degradation in the cable insulation, and periodic replacement of cable accessories such as terminations and joints. EHV underground cables play a critical role in our power systems, providing a safe and reliable means of transmitting large amounts of electrical energy over long distances in urban areas. With careful design, installation, and maintenance, these cables can provide reliable service for many decades. Thanks for watching this video on the power of extra high voltage underground cables. We hope you've gained a better understanding of these critical components of our power systems and their importance in keeping the lights on.